Dear sisters, I thank you for giving me this chance. As you all know that I already worked in Pune Mission for 20 years, and you know my enthusiasm in that place. So the same enthusiasm continues in my another mission life in Darfur as well as in Suwai, Ethiopia. In Darfur, I had experienced 4 years of life, which was difficult, but I never felt the difficulty in my life because my enthusiasm was so much that I would want to help the people in so many ways because they were suffering so much that you need to, even a deaf and dumb person will move like that. It was so, we did the community as we did whatever we could to help these people in that war area. In each camp we were visiting. 13 camps were there with each camp containing 30,000 people suffering, no food, no medicine, no facilities, even no water. But I still with enthusiasm came to Suwai, this community, and I am working for the good of the people with the community. We encounter many people each day. Every day I get up, my prayer is that God, today, that I may be able to help people who come, not to go unsatisfied, but with peace and tranquility in my heart and in their heart, that they received from us something that we could help them. And there are children who we take care of it. You see from the photos that how miserable they are, but we made me with my group, people helping me, working with me, we reached to them to save them from death, from difficulties. We tried our best. So I am happy that I lived this missionary enthusiasm, continuing still to be able to reach out to people with my community, with all the benefactors who help us in our need. They are always ready, and if I could mention many of their names, I would mention, but I thank each and every one of them for their availability towards us in helping to reach out to these people in this mission. I thank you for this chance.